fixture suitable for a wet location cannot automatically be used in a shower. While both environments involve exposure to moisture, the specific conditions and regulatory requirements differ. Showers present a more direct and concentrated exposure to water, potentially involving pressurized spray and steam. Therefore, fixtures intended for shower use must meet stricter standards to ensure electrical safety and prevent water damage. The electrical codes, such as the National Electrical Code or NEC, provide specific guidelines for installing electrical equipment in bathrooms, including showers. These codes typically mandate that fixtures used within the shower area be specifically listed and labeled for such use. This listing indicates that the fixture has been tested and certified to withstand the rigors of a shower environment, including direct water exposure, humidity, and temperature fluctuations. The requirements for shower fixtures often include a high degree of water tightness and corrosion resistance compared to general wet location fixtures. The construction materials and sealing methods must be robust enough to prevent water from entering the fixture and causing electrical hazards or premature failure. Additionally, the installation location within the shower area can influence the type of fixture required. For example, fixtures installed directly within the shower spray zone may need to meet more stringent requirements than those located outside the direct spray zone. It is crucial to consult the manufacturer's specifications and installation instructions for any fixture being considered for shower use. These documents will outline the specific conditions under which the fixture is approved for use, including any limitations on the installation location or water exposure. Furthermore, local electrical codes may impose additional requirements beyond those specified in the NEC or by the manufacturer. It is always advisable to consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that any electrical installation in a shower area complies with all applicable codes and regulations. This will help to ensure the safety of occupants and prevent potential electrical hazards. Failure to comply with these requirements can result in electrical shock, fire, or other dangerous situations. In summary, while a fixture may be suitable for a wet location, it does not automatically qualify for use in a shower. Shower fixtures must meet specific requirements to ensure safety and prevent water damage. Always consult local codes, manufacturer specifications, and a qualified electrician before installing any electrical equipment in a shower area. This comprehensive approach will help to ensure safe and code-compliant installation. The NEC addresses bathroom electrical installations, including requirements for lighting and receptacles. Section 210.11. C3 covers bathroom branch circuits, while Section 404.4 addresses the location of switches. Section 410 provides detailed requirements for luminaires, lamp holders, and lamps, including those used in damp or wet locations. Article 680 covers swimming pools, fountains, and similar installations, and may contain relevant information for shower installations in certain cases. Furthermore, underwriters' laboratories, or all standards for luminaires, such as UL 1598, outline the testing and certification requirements for fixtures used in wet locations. These standards specify the tests that fixtures must pass to demonstrate their ability to withstand water exposure and other environmental factors. The selection of appropriate materials is critical for shower fixtures. Materials such as stainless steel, brass, and certain types of plastics are commonly used due to their resistance to corrosion. The fixture's enclosure must be designed to prevent water from entering the wiring compartment and other sensitive components. Gaskets, seals, and other watertight features are essential for maintaining the integrity of the enclosure. The wiring connections within the fixture must also be protected from moisture. Insulated connectors and watertight fittings are commonly used to prevent corrosion and electrical shorts. The grounding of the fixture is another important safety consideration. A properly grounded fixture provides a path for fault current to flow back to the source, tripping a circuit breaker or fuse and preventing electrical shock. The grounding conductor must be securely connected to the fixture's grounding terminal and to the building's grounding system. In addition to the fixture itself, the installation methods used are also crucial for ensuring safety. Wiring must be properly routed and supported to prevent damage or strain. Conduit or other protective measures may be required to protect wiring from physical damage or water exposure. The use of ground fault circuit interrupters or GFCIs is often required for circuits serving bathroom receptacles and lighting fixtures. A GFCI is a device that detects small imbalances in the circuit current and trips the circuit breaker if a ground fault is detected. This can help to prevent electrical shock in wet environments. Regular inspection and maintenance of shower fixtures are important for ensuring continued safety. Fixtures should be checked periodically for signs of corrosion, water damage, or loose connections. Any damaged or worn parts should be replaced promptly. The use of harsh cleaning chemicals should be avoided, as these can damage the fixture's finish or seals. Instead, use a mild soap and water solution to clean the fixture. If you are unsure about any aspect of shower fixture installation or maintenance, it is always best to consult with a qualified electrician. A professional electrician has the knowledge and experience to ensure that the installation is safe, code compliant, and reliable. Remember that electricity and water can be a dangerous combination. Taking the necessary precautions and following all applicable codes and regulations is essential for preventing electrical hazards in the shower area. Firstly, consider the location of the fixture within the shower. Secondly, verify that the fixture is specifically listed for shower use. Thirdly, inspect the fixture for signs of damage or corrosion before installation. Fourthly, follow the manufacturer's installation instructions carefully. Fifthly, use appropriate wiring methods and materials. Sixthly, ensure that the fixture is properly grounded. Seventhly, test the GFCI protection to verify that it is working correctly. Eighthly, perform regular inspections and maintenance. Ninthly, consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns. Tenthly, prioritize safety above all else. Specific types of fixtures are designed for wet locations, but this suitability doesn't automatically translate to safe use in a shower. The distinction lies in the degree of water exposure and the potential for direct spray. Fixtures in showers face a more intense and prolonged exposure to water, often under pressure, requiring a high level of protection against water ingress. National Electrical Code regulations outline precise requirements for electrical installations in bathrooms, including showers. These regulations emphasize the use of fixtures explicitly listed and labeled for shower environments. This listing signifies that the fixture has undergone rigorous testing and certification to withstand direct water contact, high humidity, and temperature fluctuations characteristic of shower settings. The construction and materials used in shower fixtures are critical to their performance and safety. Typically, these fixtures incorporate corrosion-resistant materials like stainless steel, brass, or specialized plastics to prevent degradation from constant moisture exposure. The design includes watertight enclosures with robust seals and gaskets to prevent water from penetrating the fixture's internal components, such as wiring and electrical connections. Proper installation is equally important. Following manufacturer instructions ensures that the fixture is correctly mounted and sealed to prevent water from entering the surrounding wall or ceiling cavity. Additionally, wiring connections must be meticulously protected from moisture using insulated connectors and watertight fittings. Grounding is a fundamental safety measure. Shower fixtures must be effectively grounded to provide a safe path for fault currents, minimizing the risk of electrical shock. Regular inspections and maintenance are essential for sustaining the safety and performance of shower fixtures. Routine checks for signs of corrosion, water damage, or loose connections can help identify potential problems early on. Damaged or worn components should be promptly replaced to prevent hazards. Avoiding harsh cleaning chemicals is recommended to preserve the fixture's finish and the integrity of its seals. Instead, using a mild soap and water solution for cleaning is a safer approach. The NEC mandates the use of ground fault circuit interrupters for bathroom circuits, including those serving shower fixtures. GFCIs are designed to detect even small imbalances in electrical current, indicating a potential ground fault, and quickly interrupt the circuit to prevent electrical shock. Furthermore, the location of a fixture within the shower area influences the type of fixture required. Fixtures directly exposed to shower spray demand a higher level of water tightness compared to those positioned outside the direct spray zone. Consulting with a licensed electrician is crucial for ensuring compliance with all applicable codes and regulations. Electricians possess the expertise to assess the specific conditions of a shower environment and recommend the appropriate fixtures and installation methods. Ignoring these precautions can have severe consequences, including electrical shock, fire, and other hazards. The primary goal is to create a safe and functional shower environment. First, ensure the fixture is rated for direct water exposure. Second, examine the fixture for proper sealing and corrosion resistance. Third, use appropriate wiring and grounding techniques. Fourth, test the GFCI regularly to ensure proper function. Fifth, inspect fixtures periodically for damage or wear. Therefore, while wet location fixtures are designed to withstand moisture, shower fixtures must meet stricter requirements for direct water exposure, construction materials, installation methods, and electrical safety. Adhering to these guidelines will ensure a safe and reliable shower environment. The NEC is a comprehensive set of standards governing electrical installations in buildings. It is updated every 3 years to reflect advancements in technology and address emerging safety concerns. The NEC is not a law itself, but it is often adopted by state and local jurisdictions as part of their building codes. Compliance with the NEC is essential for ensuring the safety of electrical systems and preventing electrical hazards. The NEC covers a wide range of topics, including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and equipment installation. It provides specific requirements for different types of occupancies, such as residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. The NEC also addresses specialized installations such as those in hazardous locations, healthcare facilities, and swimming pools. Article 410 of the NEC provides detailed requirements for luminaires, lamp holders, and lamps. It covers the installation of lighting fixtures in various locations, including damp and wet locations. Article 410 also specifies the types of fixtures that are permitted in different environments and the requirements for their construction and installation. Section 410.10 addresses luminaires in damp or wet locations. It requires that luminaires installed in these locations be listed for such use and be constructed to prevent water from entering the wiring compartment. Section 410.10 also specifies the types of wiring methods that are permitted for use in damp or wet locations. Section 410.4 addresses luminaires in specific locations such as bathtubs and showers. It requires that luminaires installed within a zone extending 3 feet horizontally and 8 feet vertically from the top of the bathtub, room, or shower stall be listed for wet locations. Section 410.4 also specifies the types of luminaires that are permitted in these locations and the requirements for their installation. In addition to the NEC, other standards and regulations may apply to shower fixture installations. For example, local building codes may impose additional requirements beyond those specified in the NEC. Manufacturers of lighting fixtures may also provide specific instructions and recommendations for their products. It is important to consult all applicable codes, standards, and manufacturer instructions before installing any electrical equipment in a shower area. A qualified electrician can help to ensure that the installation is safe, code compliant, and reliable. They can also provide guidance on the selection of appropriate fixtures and wiring methods for the specific environment. The role of underwriters' laboratories or all in electrical safety is significant. UL is an independent organization that tests and certifies products for safety. UL-listed products have been tested to meet specific safety standards and have been found to be free from reasonably foreseeable hazards. UL listing is often required by building codes and insurance companies. UL 1598 is the standard for luminaires, including those used in damp and wet locations. This standard specifies the tests that luminaires must pass to demonstrate their ability to withstand water exposure and other environmental factors. UL 1598 also includes requirements for the construction, materials, and labeling of luminaires. When selecting a shower fixture, look for the UL listing mark to ensure that it has been tested and certified for safety. The UL listing mark indicates that the fixture has met the requirements of UL 1598 and is suitable for use in a wet location. The location of the fixture within the shower area is an important factor to consider. Fixtures installed directly within the shower spray zone must be listed for wet locations and be constructed to prevent water from entering the wiring compartment. Fixtures installed outside the direct spray zone may be listed for damp locations, but they must still be protected from moisture. The height of the fixture above the shower floor is also a factor to consider. Fixtures installed lower than 8 feet above the shower floor must be listed for wet locations. Fixtures installed higher than 8 feet above the shower floor may be listed for damp locations, but they must still be protected from moisture. The type of shower enclosure is another factor to consider. Showers with fully enclosed enclosures may require fixtures listed for wet locations, even if they are installed outside the direct spray zone. Showers with open enclosures may allow the use of fixtures listed for damp locations as long as they are protected from moisture. The materials used in shower fixtures are important for ensuring their durability and resistance to corrosion. Stainless steel, brass, and certain types of plastics are commonly used due to their resistance to water damage. The fixture's finish should also be resistant to corrosion and fading. The wiring connections within the fixture must be protected from moisture. Insulated connectors and watertight fittings are commonly used to prevent corrosion and electrical shorts. The wiring methods used for shower fixture installations must comply with the NEC. Wiring must be properly routed and supported to prevent damage or strain. Conduit or other protective measures may be required to protect wiring from physical damage or water exposure. The use of ground fault circuit interrupters is often required for circuits serving bathroom receptacles and lighting fixtures. A GFCI is a device that detects small imbalances in the circuit current and trips the circuit breaker if a ground fault is detected. This can help to prevent electrical shock in wet environments. The proper installation of shower fixtures is essential for ensuring their safety and reliability. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully when installing a shower fixture. Ensure that all wiring connections are secure and protected from moisture. Properly ground the fixture to prevent electrical shock. Test the GFCI protection to verify that it is working correctly. Regular inspection and maintenance of shower fixtures are important for ensuring continued safety. Fixtures should be checked periodically for signs of corrosion, water damage, or loose connections. Any damaged or worn part should be replaced promptly. The use of harsh cleaning chemicals should be avoided, as these can damage the fixture's finish or seals. Instead, use a mild soap and water solution to clean the fixture. If you are unsure about any aspect of shower fixture installation or maintenance, it is always best to consult with a qualified electrician. A professional electrician has the knowledge and experience to ensure that the installation is safe, code compliant, and reliable.